So hey guys, I hope you're all safe and having fun. Welcome to our channel, we are Animeers and we are back again with another video. So let's not waste time and start our video. So today's video is gonna be a little different from what we usually do. Well, you all have read the title so you already know about the video. Yes, today's video is gonna be a recommendation video of top 5 anime. The category we are going to cover today is Magic School. So first, let's understand this genre. I'm sure majority of you already know what this genre is about. But for those who don't know, this genre is about that our main character transfer to the magic school and nobody knows that how amazing he is. Although this genre is not that famous like romance and action, but the anime in this genre are pretty good. So we are going to cover 5 top anime in this genre. So let's start our list. So on 5th number in our list is Rakudai Kishino Cavalry, also known as Chivalry of a Failed Knight. The story goes like in this world, some humans have the ability to manipulate their souls to form powerful weapons, which they call blazers. The Hagun Academy, one of the prestigious academy whose sole purpose is to train these people and make them into Mage Knight. One day, a prodigy student, Stella Vermilion, transfer into this academy. When she goes into her room, she didn't know that she would be sharing a room with a boy. And to her surprise, that boy turned out to be Ikki Kurogane, the repeater and the worst student of the academy. This anime has everything top notch, good animation, action, itchy scenes, and most importantly, the Tsundere girl. So don't miss out this anime. The next anime in our list is Trinity 7. This anime is clearly a definition of magic school genre, as this anime features magic too much. The story goes like Kasuga Arata was living his peaceful life with his cousin Kasuga Hijiri. But one day a mysterious girl came and told him to come to his senses, otherwise she'll kill him. First, Arata didn't understand it. Later, when he looked at Sun, he noticed that Sun is black. He asked his cousin, that was Sun always been black? She said yes. Then he noticed that she is not his cousin. Right after that, the entire town collapsed right in front of him. The mysterious girl from before, whose name is Lilith, who is also a mage, told him that he was the one who unconsciously destroyed the entire town, and she came to investigate it. And he was also the one who created this fake town with his grimoire, which was fake Hijri. Lilith gave him two choices: to hand over the grimoire and he will live happy life, and if he will not, she'll kill him. Arata chose the third option, that he will also become Mage and then he transfer into a Biblia Royal Magic Academy. This anime is also pretty good, so don't miss out this anime too. The third in our list is Rokudenashi Majutsu Koshito Akashic Records, also known as Akashic Records of Bastard Magic Instructor. The story goes like Alzano Imperial Magic Academy, which is also one of the most distinguished magic academy in the world. This school nurtures the capable magicians. A noble girl, Sistine Feeble, and her friend Rumia Tingle attend this academy, but one day her favorite teacher decided to resign. One day when she was going to school with her friends, she bumped into a very weird man. She later learned that he is the one who will teach her magic, the replacement teacher. This anime features the OP character we all love. The teacher Glenn may look lazy and incompetent to you in the beginning, but he is very amazing. If you love OP character, then you will definitely love this anime. The second in our list is Mahoka Koko no Retosai, also known as the Irregular at Magic High School. Magic is always thought to be a folklore, but in future the magic has become a technology and taught as a technical skill. In First High School, which is a magic academy, students get their courses based on their entrance scores. Those who score high get first course, and those who score low gets second course. Shibuya Tatsuya and Shiba Miyuki enrolled in this academy after taking the exam. Miyuki got first course because of her ability, while Tatsuya got second course because of his low magical abilities. But Tatsuya magic may be weak, but he possesses extraordinary knowledge of magical technology and amazing physical strength, making Tatsuya the irregular of the school. Although this is a magic anime, it is also the sci-fi anime at the same time. Two contradicting genres in one anime makes this anime very interesting. This anime also has Tatsuya as OP character, which you will definitely like. And this anime also has some incensed moments which you also might like. And finally, on number 1 we have Mao Gakuen of Tekigosha, also known as the Misfit of Demon King Academy. This is another anime which perfectly defines the magic school genre. The story goes like 2000 years ago, there was a war between 4 races, the demons, gods, humans and spirits. In this war, there was one man who wiped out the nations of humans, burned down the forest of spirits and killed even the gods. He was none other than the ruler of demon race, the demon king of tyranny, Anos Voldegold. After constantly fighting, Anos got fed up with the war. So he decided to sacrifice his life so that he can reincarnate in the peaceful world. 2000 years later, Anos reincarnated in the small family. After his reincarnation, he found out that his descendants has weakened and magic is very much died out. One day he got invitation from the Demon King Academy Delzagate, which was established for the sole purpose to find their reincarnated ruler. So he decided to enroll in this academy. When he goes to academy, he notices that something is off. To find out what is off, you have to watch
Pretty
this
impressive.
You're stronger
anime.
than
I've
me,
seen
aren't
many
you?
OP characters in animes, but Anos is just on another level. He
Zero.
cannot be better. Stopping time to resurrecting people is just a child's play for him. If you really like OP characters, you will definitely fall in love with Anos. So that's the end of our list. We'll do recommendation videos of various genres in the future too. So look forward to it. And sorry if you'll miss out any anime. Tell us your favorite anime and your thoughts on this video in comment section. And if you like our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So that's it guys for today. We'll meet you again in our next video. Oh yeah, our next video is also going to be a recommendation